Hello friends, this is Ajay Kumar Chilavancha. In this video, we are going to learn about sketch-based tools. Before learning about sketch-based tools, we'll have a small recap on what we have learned in previous videos. We have learned about all user interference of Catia V5 and then how to use the mouse in Catia V5, and after that we have learned about view toolbar, sketch toolbars, then profile toolbar, then next operation toolbars, and then constraint toolbars. Okay, this all comes under sketch tools. After the sketch tools, we have sketch based features. In these sketch based features, we are having some tools for developing a sketch into a 3D object. The first thing is pad, next pocket, shaft, groove, hole, rib, slot, solid combined, and multi-section solid, and then remove multi-section solid. So in this video I am going to explain you about the first sketch based feature, pad, okay, in detail. So the pad is having three different tools in it. The first tool is simple pad. That simple pad tool is which will use it to extrude it. Extrude in the sense will just give height. Already we are having two dimensions, width and length we are having for a sketch. So we are giving a height to the sketch. That is called as pad. Then the next tool is drafted fillet pad. The drafted fillet pad is nothing but we are just giving height, same as pad, but in additional we are giving some angle to it. Okay, the drafting angle is nothing but the angle which will be followed by the sketch. It's like a pyramid. Okay, the pyramid is having some drafted angle that will intersect at the point. Okay, in the same way, our any of the shape we can give draft angle. Okay, the next thing is multipad. Multipad is nothing but if you are able to draw any sketch, it consists of two or more 2D elements, so that we can give multiple heights to the elements. It's like if you are having any square, and in the square you are having a small circle. That circle you have to project upwards, and the square will be a bottomwards in a negative direction. So we can give both directions. So I will explain this in a Catia software for better understanding. Okay, let me open the software. Here I opened my Catia V5. So this is a sketch. Okay, let's draw a little sketch. I'm going to select any plane. So I have all sketch features here, and then I am selecting a circle. So here I am giving 0, 0, and then the next point as a some 50, 50. Okay, this is my square, and then I want an ellipse shape in middle, like this I'm going to give. Okay, I'll specify height also. It will be some 15, 15. Okay, this is my height. So this is my elliptical shape. So I'm going to exit from the sketch menu. So here I have my full sketch. This is sketch 1. Okay, for this sketch 1 I'm going to directly pad. If you are using direct pad, you will get a block with a elliptical hole. You will see now. Just select OK, give OK, then select the sketch 1 and give the dimension as some 50. We consider 50. So give OK, then you can see, right? So in this way, if you are giving any drafted pad, then I am going to give drafted pad, then I'll give OK, then select the sketch. After that you have to select a starting angle, and then after that we can give some little angle so it will be drafted, because everything which you have selected will have draft. If you are giving all as a draft angle, so everything will be drafted like this shape will get if you are giving drafted. Okay, here you can observe that once I'll zoom in. Here you can observe the some dent is there. This dent is due to the draft angle which we have given is not matching with the dimension. The elliptical dimension is more cornered here, so that's why we are having some draft over here. Okay, and for same, let me give multi-pad. Here I am selecting and selecting my sketch. After that, I'll select the first thing, extrusion domain. First thing I'll select and I'll give some height as a 50, and second thing I'll select and I'll give some height as a 40. So here uh, it's like some I'll give minus so that it will come as opposite, and then we can understand more. Here you can see I have given two different pads for a different same sketch. Okay, in my sketch we are containing one ellipse and one square. So I given a square for different height and ellipse as a different height. Okay, like this the pad tool is works. So I'll move back to the presentation. Here, as I told, we learned pad, drafted fillet pad, and then multi-pad. So keep on practicing. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.